Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to display your internet speed on the taskbar in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First, if you want to check your current internet speed, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Once it's open, go to the Performance tab and then select Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on your connection. Here you will see the upload and download speed in real time. Now, if you want to see your internet speed directly on your desktop or taskbar, follow these steps. Go to the Microsoft Store and search for Net Speed Meter. Select the first result and click Install to get the app. Once the download is complete, open it. A small window will appear showing your upload and download speed. You can move this floating window anywhere on your screen. It will always stay on top, even when other apps are open. If you prefer to keep it fixed in your taskbar, just right-click on the meter and select Keep in Taskbar. And that's it! Now you can monitor your internet speed at all times while working or browsing online.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.